One-patch tire tube repair. Maruni's one-patch bonds with Vulcan, a vulcanizing adhesive, in a chemical reaction after adhesion. With no slip or step from tube to patch, you can apply more than one layer of patch. The repair procedure for Maruni's one-patch is: first, remove all dirt and grease with liquid buffer. Then use the buffer to rough the surface around the puncture. Coat the surface lightly over a wide area with Vulcan, the vulcanizing adhesive, and then let dry. Be careful not to touch the adhesive surface with your fingers. Next, put the patch onto the center of the puncture area and press it on with the roller, moving from the center toward the outside perimeter. That completes the repair.